Hey guys, this is Alfonso Walker from AW Digital Studios. Today we're going to continue our conversation on how to customize your themes. So let's get started. Now, last time when it came to customization, we spoke about specifically areas called sections and blocks. So right here you have your collection list. This is a section, and then within that section you have different blocks. Now, if you want to hear how to customize these sections, go look at the previous video and we will go through this in detail. But today we're going to talk about the other area that will allow you to customize your theme, which is the theme settings. Now, this is a little more focused on details about your theme. So let's say the coloring of your of wording, or the fonts, adding social media, etc., etc. And we're going to go through all that today. So the first one we're going to cover is your heading, right? So let's say you want to change the color of your heading. So right now it's black, and maybe you want to change it to like a red, right? So it's pretty straightforward. Heading, that's how you change it. We don't want to make any permanent changes, so we'll go back from there. Another example could be your body text. So your body text, which is the smaller writing below your heading text, you do the same thing. Maybe this time we want to make it brown, right? So you can make it brown. Maybe you can't really see that. Maybe try red instead. So pretty straightforward in that sense. And then we're going to go back. So that's how you set up you can change your colors, right? Just go to the top, the first part of your themes right here. You can make those adjustments pretty easily. The next is typography, which is essentially your font. So right now they're using old standard TT. Let's say we want to change that to mono. You can see how that changes. So you can change that to whatever you want it to be. You can type in something if you already have in mind what you want to do. Let's maybe say Roman Times New Roman. You can do that as well. So they make it pretty easy and straightforward to make those adjustments. Okay, so the next one we're going to go over is your social media. So social media is essentially, let's say you have a link to you have a Facebook page for your business. All you'd have to do is post the URL here for your Facebook business link, right? Same thing with Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and where that would show up, it would show up at the bottom down here. So your Facebook, your Instagram, all those links would show up at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, the next one is your favicon. Favicons, that's this little images you see at the top left corner of a website. So you're not going to see it here. I mean, even if I chose, you can choose and create one if you have an image already on standby. But usually, obviously, you'd have your own favicon setups already, and this is where you'd actually put it to show up. So you can see here, Shopify has Shopify would have their own favicon. Let me see, I can show you right here. That's a favicon, right? That's another favicon. So this is the area where you would put your favicon. And then the next one we're going to go to is your checkout. So the checkout is when you're ready to buy a product. Let's say here I want to buy this basket. And we're going to take you to the checkout. So we're just going to buy now. And then this is the checkout page. So we'll go back to the theme settings and go to checkout. And this is essentially allows you to customize your checkout page. So this is pretty straightforward checkout page. Shopify takes care of this for you. But maybe you want to add a background image. So we can add an image right here. Select that. It'll load up in a few seconds. And see, you have a nice little background image to add a little pizzazz to your checkout page for your customers. And you can do other things as well. You can get a custom image for your logo. You can position it. A lot of the things is very similar to the sections video, where you gives you a lot of customizabilities to change your checkout to really fit your brand. So that's something you should play with. It just really depends on what your desire is as far as what kind of brand you want to provide for your customer. And the last one is theme style. This one it says, please save your changes. Yeah, let me save my changes real quick. This is essentially when they give you two options, classic or playful. So let's go back to the original page for this. Okay, we're done. So we're going to go back to Thrifty Shops. So as you can see here, this is how it's set up right now. Right now it's classic, right? So if I click changes, it's not going to make a difference because it's already classic. So let's save that. And now, if we go back to themes and go to playful, so as you can see here, when you update it, the font changes. So it looks more playful. It's a little thicker. So I guess they defined this as being more playful. So this sums up our theme settings. Now, this might vary depending on the theme you choose. Other themes might have more sections to choose from, but these are the core settings. Every theme you choose should have a color, typography, social media, favicon, checkout, theme style, because those are crucial settings. So that's pretty much it. That covers our tutorial on the theme customization. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And these videos are meant to take your business to the next level. Also, if you have any questions, just let me know on the comment section so I can answer those questions and implement them into my next videos. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good week.